Hey, it's Mr. Peace, and I just got done sharing my heart at Douglas Road Elementary School in Lambertville, Michigan, part of the Bedford School District. And it was an honor to get to speak to the 3rd through 5th graders today, all about positivity and being your best self. And so we had a series of stories and videos and just different exercises that I talked about today throughout the presentation to reinforce the concept that we have to be kind to our mind, that whatever we tell our mind, right, positive or negative, it's going to believe that. And same with our heart. So hopefully we start telling it something a lot more positive, replace any of the negative or limiting beliefs that we have about ourselves with something a lot more positive. And for anything in life, you know, things can get tough, things can get hard. We can go through different situations, whether it's at home or at school or just in life in general. And we always need to know that even if we do go through something that's tough or difficult, that it's going to make us stronger in the end, right? It's going to make us even better because of it, if we let that happen. And for myself personally, and why I wear this shirt for this assembly, it says, keep your head up, upside down in purpose. And so for a time in my life when there were a lot of things coming at me, I definitely had doubts, and I definitely doubted myself and my abilities. But anytime that I felt down or looked down, it was a reminder to keep my head up and to always think positive no matter what. We talked about the butterfly too, that before it's a butterfly, it's in a cocoon, it's in a chrysalis, and it has to go through that struggle and that really tough time to finally break free and have that fluid pump through its whole body, through its wings, so it can finally fly and become the beautiful creation that we know it to be. And so part of this understanding of being our best self and staying positive is to know that the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting, it's giving up. And as long as we keep doing our best, keep giving the effort, that's all that anyone wants from us, right? And that's all that anyone expects from us, is that we just really do our best, that we are responsible for the effort, not always the outcome, but as long as we're giving our best effort, 9 times out of 10, we're probably going to get the results that we want. And so that means that if it takes a little bit longer to figure a problem out, or to learn a new drill in gym class, or to really understand what this reading is talking about, that it's okay if it takes us a couple seconds more than someone else, right? We can't compare ourselves to other. We just have to focus on ourselves, right? To be able to know that when we look ourselves in the mirror, that we gave it our all, right? And that's truly what matters. And what I was trying to hammer home throughout today's program. Further, part of being our best is knowing our value, knowing our worth, and that ties into this concept. All of us have the letter M etched on the palm of our hands with the lines of our hand. We all have the letter M, and that's for miracle, right? Upside down, W for worthy. To remember that we are all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it, and to buy into the fact that we are beautiful, right? That we are unique, and knowing that we can stay positive just from understanding our worth, right? And obviously the fact of being your best self is to go and make sure that we encourage others too. So those that don't believe that we can be that light to their hearts and help them see that they are amazing, that they are incredible, and that if they thought they weren't enough, that yes, they are more than enough. And we can help them see that by first seeing and believing it ourselves, and making sure that we know that encouraging other people, right, not just ourselves and talking positively to ourselves, but encouraging others is part of our job as human beings on this planet in terms of being the best that we can be. You guys touch my heart. I wish I was in person. Hopefully will be sometime in the future. But for now, best of luck with your upcoming state testing and just whatever else you have going on in your life. It's been a crazy year, but as long as we maintain that positive and optimistic attitude, that's all that matters. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out this amazing playlist link too for some inspirational videos. And you can visit my website to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.